few words about the very broad theme. The idea here was that climate change is no longer a distant reality. It is not a distant possibility. It is here. I mean, India is experiencing it. Argentina is experiencing it. Large parts of US and China are experiencing it. And it always sets in, it's known through high levels of climatic phenomenal variability. This is the first way it is noticed. And we should think that this is only a beginning and a lot more may happen. And the emerging paradigm of e-agriculture, how far is this going to help policymakers, the farming communities and researchers, how are they going to come together to address this? Can e-agriculture facilitate such a get-together, such an alliance, or can e-agriculture become more an impediment? These are some of the very broad considerations we have. And to address this issue along with a number of other issues in e-agriculture, and to share new experiences and experiments that are taking place, we have assembled a very distinguished panel. And the panelists, each one of them is a leader in this area and has a long experience in operating e-agriculture related projects. I'm going to start, there are 5 panelists here. There is a slight change in the names. We will have the first panelist would of course be Dr. Rosanna Muller. Would you raise your hand? I mean, we'll first identify you. The next speaker would be Dr. N.H. Rao, Joint Director of NAB. And the third speaker would be Dr. Sheikh Mira from the Directorate of Rice Research. The fourth speaker would be Dr. Srinath Dikshit. And the fifth speaker is Dr. Ajit Kumar, who received the award for the best e-agriculture project yesterday. We are delighted that Ajit could join at short notice. Dr. Rex Navarro, who was originally scheduled to speak on behalf of a program in the Philippines, was unable to make it. So with these few words, I'm going to call out the speakers in this order. The first speaker would be Dr. Rosanna Muller, who's of course my colleague. We directly work in the same division. She's originally from the Philippines, and she has been on the faculty of agriculture at the Benguet State University in the northern Philippines. She's a social scientist by profession and training, and her work in ICRISAT today involves a number of areas: soil and water management, watersheds, and social impact assessment. These are some of the areas. In addition, she works on cutting-edge learning systems project. Rosanna.